The practitioner should know that we need to empower our patient. We need to support the patient so that the body can go on autopilot and really take care of itself for self-healing. Understanding that Chinese medicine is not about the disease. So for instance, headache. You can treat headache with your conventional medicine, but the Chinese medicine is about why you have a headache, what's the pattern of headache, and what is the root cause of the headache. So if the acupuncturist is focusing on the disease, I think that is not quite the one you should go to, because Chinese medicine always focus on recognizing the pattern, recognizing the constitution of the body, and then also what is a habit that you have formed that aggravate the symptom that you're having. When the Chinese medicine is not fully trained or not well trained in recognize the pattern, the root cause, patient's constitution by reading the tongue, reading the pulse, palpate the abdominal, then I don't think that training is sufficient enough to give a good, effective Chinese medicine treatment. And secondly, the difference between Chinese medicine and conventional medicine is that Chinese medicine is about empowering this body, this person. So meaning that if we come in with a headache that's from qi deficiency, our focus is to build the qi up so that you don't have a headache, instead of relying on the medication like a pain pill to get rid of the headache. So eventually, you're not supposed to rely on Chinese medicine forever. Your body is supposed to do what it's supposed to do. A treatment that is not leading you to not depending on Chinese medicine also is not a good treatment. And the practitioner should know that we need to empower our patient. We need to support the patient so that the body can go on autopilot and really take care of itself for self-healing. Because of that, if the practitioner tells you that you need to keep coming for the rest of your life, then that's not a good practitioner. So, and I know that in America, we have a lot of different level of experience, different training. I know that when we look out for a treatment, we probably will look at the price tag first. However, I do have to say that price tag should not be your focus when you try to find an acupuncturist, because the training and the experience determine how efficient that you can get and how much you can get from the treatment. So if experienced acupuncturist or Chinese medicine practitioner can help you to feel better faster and also empower you so that your body can do what it's supposed to do more efficiently, and I think that's worth your time and money to go. So don't just look at the price tag, but also the experience, the training, and how he or she can connect with you. Oftentimes, if you're looking for an acupuncturist, you're probably going to go on Google and type in acupuncturist near me, and you'll see a different type of practice and different price point. So if you go to an acupuncturist and they tell you that, well, it's just needle, the needle is going to go in. So if you get the treatment cheaper, it's better for you. However, it's not necessarily true, because acupuncturist or Chinese medicine, it really relies on the experience and the training. Acupuncturist or Chinese medicine that was well trained in both Chinese medicine and sometimes in Western medicine, nutrition, sports medicine, because of that extensive training and also with the better experience, might charge more. But also that means that because of the wealth in knowledge, they can help you to get better, faster, and empower your body. So I think, looking at the price point might not be a good indication whether or not it's a good treatment for you. If you like this video, please subscribe and follow me, and I'll see you soon.